studies. So today we will begin with the unit number 1 of your class 2nd GK, that is lesson number 1, it's a truth. ये सच है. In this whole world there are many types of animals and plants. In this chapter we will learn about animals and plants and some different species like zebra and grass and hummingbirds. So let's read this chapter. This is a very interesting chapter of the nature. There are many animals and plants in the world. हमारे वर्ल्ड में बहुत सारे एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स हैं. सम ऑफ देम हैव सम यूनिक फीचर्स. उनमें कुछ यूनिक फीचर्स होते हैं. लाइक लेट्स नाउ यू हैव टू लुक एट द पिक्चर. अब आपको इन पिक्चर्स को देखना है. रीड द डिस्क्रिप्शन. ये जो डिस्क्रिप्शन है आपको रीड करना है. देन यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द नेम्स ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. अब इनके हमें नेम्स को कंप्लीट करना है. पहले हमें डिस्क्रिप्शन पढ़ेंगे कि क्या चीज है, फिर उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम पिक्चर देख के हम फिल कर देंगे. सो नो टू डैश हैव द सेम स्ट्रिप्स. जो ऐसी चीज होती है जिनके सेम डिजाइन के स्ट्रिप्स नहीं होते, वो क्या है? वो दैट इज ज़ेब्रा. ZEBRA. Zebras have the same strips. So now second one, dash are the tallest living trees. What are the tallest living trees? Who are the tallest living trees? The biggest one is about 380 feet tall. कौन सा ट्री है जो 380 feet tall होता है? उनका biggest one. Coast redwood trees are the tallest living trees. Coast redwoods are the tallest living trees. The biggest one is the 380 feet tall, about 380 feet tall. Now the dash is found in Africa. It is grown so high that it can hide even an elephant in it. ऐसी कुछ क्या है वो जो इतनी ग्रो करती है कि वो अपने अंदर एलिफेंट्स को भी हाइड कर सकती है. What it is? That is the grass. And it is known by the name elephant grass. ELEPHANT, elephant grass. Now the dash is the only bird that can fly backward. ऐसी एक बर्ड जो बैकवर्ड फ्लाई कर सकती है, उल्टी फ्लाई कर सकती है. कौन सी बर्ड है ऐसी? That is hummingbird. It has the special feature humming, HUMMING, hummingbird. Dash is a fruit, not a vegetable, since it has seeds in it. ऐसा क्या है वो जो ये जिसमें जो फ्रूट वेजिटेबल नहीं है, फ्रूट है और उसमें सीड्स होती है. What is the name of this fruit? This is cucumber. CUCUMBER, cucumber. The dash plant shrinks its leaves when you touch them. After a few minutes of expansion to the normal. After a few minutes it expands to the normal. ऐसा कौन सा प्लांट है जिसको आप टच करते हो जो मुरझा जाता है और फिर थोड़ी देर बाद वैसा ही हो जाता है? What is the name of that plant? That is touch me not. Touch me not plant. That shrinks its leaves and when you touch it after a few minutes it expands to normal. Now despite its powerful tail and fierce bite, a dash cannot stick out its tongue. मतलब कि उसकी पावरफुल टेल होती है और फियर्स बाइट, बहुत जहरीली बाइट होती है, फियर डरावनी बाइट होती है, बट कैन नॉट स्टिक आउट इट्स टंग. कौन सा एनिमल है ये? विच एनिमल इज दिस? दिस इज द क्रोकोडाइल. CROCODILE, crocodile. Now 8th one and the last one. Most elephants weigh less than the tongue of the dash. क्या है? मतलब कि कौन सा एनिमल, मतलब एलिफेंट के वेट से भी ज्यादा उसकी भारी टंग होती है. मोस्ट एलिफेंट्स वेट, कुछ एनिमल्स के वेट से ज्यादा उसकी खाली टंग ही टंग होती है. दैट इज ब्लू व्हेल. दिस इज द ब्लू व्हेल. lesson. So that's all for this lesson number 1. Let's move to the lesson number 2. So now let's begin with the lesson number 2 of your class 2nd unit 1, that is birds and insects. You know, in this world there are many birds and insects too. So now here we have to write in column A the name of the birds and in B the name of the insects. From this picture we have to see the insects and the birds and we have to name them in column A and B. So first read this line. There are many birds and insects around us. You know, there are many birds and insects. हमारे आसपास बहुत सारे birds और insects हैं. Some of them are useful, while some of them are harmful to us. कुछ हमारे लिए useful होते हैं, कुछ हमारे लिए harmful होते हैं. Now, given below are the pictures of some birds and insects. Here are the some pictures of the some birds and the insects. Now we have to write the bird's name in column A and the insect's name in column B. So first one is pigeon. So pigeon is a bird. So we will write it in the name in column A. And second is honeybee. That we will write in column B. Honeybee. That is the insect. And third one is hummingbird. That we will write in column A. Hummingbird. Because that is the bird. And in C, that is fourth one is grasshopper. So grasshopper is an insect that cannot fly. That is not a bird. So we will write that in column B. Grasshopper. 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 Fifth one is cockroach. Cockroach is an insect. We will write in column B. Cockroach, COCKROACH, cockroach. Now, sixth one is the vulture. Vulture is a bird. We will write it in column A. Vulture, VULTURE, vulture. Now, seventh one is sparrow. Sparrow we will write in column BA because it is a bird. So write sparrow. And next one is parrot. Parrot is also the bird. We will write in column A. PARROT, parrot. And 10th one is butterfly. No, 9th one is mosquito. Mosquito is an insect. So we will write in column B. Mosquito, MOSQUITO, mosquito. It is an insect. Now 10th one, that is the butterfly. It can fly, but that is the insect. So we will write in column B, butterfly. BUTTERFLY, butterfly. Now, you know which ants are the largest ant in the world? The bullet ants are the largest ants in the world. Bullet ants are the largest ants in the world. The sting by a bullet ant is 30 times more painful. जो उनके sting जैसा वो normal ant खाती है ना उसकी 30 times painful होता है bullet ants का sting. Then that's of a wasp and honeybee. कोई honeybee भी काटती है ना आपको या wasp मतलब ततैया भी कोई भी काटता है उससे भी ज़्यादा 30 times powerful होता है एक bullet ant का एक bite का sting उसका आपको. That is very powerful ant in the whole world. So that's all for this second lesson. Let's move to the lesson 3. So now let's talk about the lesson number 3, that is familiar trees. Around you have seen there are many trees like neem tree, banana tree, coconut tree, peepal tree and many other trees. So in this chapter we have to identify the trees by looking at the picture and we have to write their names. हमें उनके नाम लिखने हैं. Now there are some picture of familiar trees. यहाँ पे कुछ familiar जो हम जिन trees को जानते हैं उनकी picture है. Write the names. हमें उनके names लिखने हैं of the trees under each picture. उनके picture के नीचे. Choose the name from the clue box. हमें कहाँ से choose करने हैं उनके name? इस clue box से choose करने हैं. First one. Which tree is this? It has the coconuts on it. This is the coconut tree. We can write one over here. Coconut palm. Coconut palm. So now second one, it gives us bamboos to us, that is the bamboo tree. Now third one, it gives us medicine. हमें इस ट्री से मेडिसिन बनाते हैं, हमारे बहुत ज्यादा कॉमन देखने को मिलता है. It has the small leaves, that is neem tree. Now fourth one, we have seen so commonly around us, that is we worship also this tree, we worship to this tree, that is peepal tree. Peepal is the fourth one. Now fifth, it gives us bananas. It has big leaves on its leaves. We eat the food, that is banana tree. Now sixth one, it has, उसमें बहुत सारे कांटे होते हैं बहुत ज़्यादा, और वो कहाँ पे मिलता है हमें डिजर्ट में देखने को, that is cactus. It doesn't need so much of water, that's why it grows in desert. Now let's move. Let's talk about the important point. That is the, what are the largest tree in the world? They are redwood and Wellingtonia. कहाँ पे मिलते हैं वो? अमेरिका में मिलते हैं देखने के लिए. The largest living trees are, जो सबसे ज्यादा रहते हैं वो trees क्या कौन से हैं? Redwood and Wellingtonia, found in America. कहाँ पे मिलते हैं वो हमें देखने के लिए? We found them in America. The largest rosewood is the founders tree in California. The rosewood का जो largest tree है वो कहाँ पे मिलता है? कैलिफोर्निया में. Now it is 360 feet high and 21 feet in diameters. वो जो होता है उसको 365 हाइट होती है उसकी, और 215 in diameters. 215 feet, उसके जो 215 मतलब 215 फीट वो डायमीटर्स में होता है. The largest Wellingtonia is the General Sherman tree in Sequoia National Park. जो largest Wellingtonia है उसको कहते हैं General Sherman. is the General Sherman tree. उसको कहते हैं General Sherman tree. Sequoia कहाँ पे है वो? Sequoia National Park में. It is 272 feet high. 272 feet high है वो, and 30 feet in diameter. So 30 feet है diameters में. So that's all for this lesson. Let's move to the lesson number 4. So students, now we will begin with the lesson number 4, sounds of animals. हर एनिमल की अपनी एक डिफरेंट साउंड होती है, उसकी एक अलग कैरेक्टरिस्टिक होती है. तो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट देयर साउंड्स. इन कॉलम में देयर आर द एनिमल्स एंड बर्ड्स, या मतलब एनिमल्स हैं, और यहाँ पे बी में उनकी साउंड है कि वो कैसी आवाजें निकालते हैं. वी हैव टू मैच कॉलम ए विद बी. लेट्स रीड इट. Different animals have their own characteristic sound. सब animals की अपनी एक characteristic sound होती है. The named animals are given in column A and their sounds are given in column B. Now we have to match the column A with B. हमें A को B से match करना है. So let's move further. Now birds क्या करती है? Birds कैसी sound निकालती है? Birds chirp. Write one over here. सेकेंड डॉग्स क्या करते हैं? डॉग्स क्या साउंड निकालते हैं? डॉग्स बार्क. राइट 2 ओवर हियर. फ्लाइज क्या करती हैं? फ्लाइज बर्ज करती हैं. यस, फ्लाइज बर्ज करती हैं. राइट 3 ओवर हियर. 4 स्नेक्स क्या करते हैं? स्नेक्स कैसी आवाज निकालते हैं? हिस, ऐसे करते हैं ना स्नेक्स. राइट 5 ओवर हियर. Tigers roar. Right, 6 over here. Frogs क्या करते हैं? Croak. Frogs croak करते हैं. Right, 7 over here. Cats क्या करते हैं? Meow. Right, 8 over here. Parrots talk. Right, 9 over here. Owls. Owls कैसे साउंड निकालते हैं? Hoot. They hoot at night. Right? 10 over here. Bees क्या करती है? करती हैं. Right? 11 over here. Donkeys bray. Donkeys करते हैं bray. Right? 12. Wait. Squeak कौन करता है? Any animal is left? Donkeys bray. Right? 12 over here. Fourth, mouses. Mouses क्या करते हैं? Squeak. Right? 4 over here. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the matchings. Now let's move to the lesson number 5 of your unit 1, that is sea world. You know there is another world under the water which has the mountain, plants, everything. That is the sea world. So let's talk about their names. What animals live under the sea, the name of the fishes and the mammals. Do you know that there is another world in the sea? हमारे sea के अंदर बहुत अलग world, एक और world होता है which we call sea world. In the sea we can see hills, valleys, fishes and lots of different types of mammals. Fishes भी मिलती है, different types of mammals देखने को मिलते हैं. These mammals and sea animals are very dangerous. उनको बहुत ज़्यादा dangerous भी होते हैं. Now write the names of sea animals with the help of clue box. इनकी हेल्प से अभी हम इनको names लिखना है. So first one. What is the first one? I am the largest animal on the earth. I am a mammal. मैं पूरे अर्थ पे, पूरे वर्ल्ड में मतलब लार्जेस्ट एनिमल हूँ मैं, और मैं वाटर में रहता हूँ या रहती हूँ. मैं क्या हूँ? I am blue whale. Write 1 over here, or you can write spelling also BLUE, blue, WHELE, blue whale. Now second, I am the king of the fishes. Who is the king of the fishes? The salmon. I am the salmon. Write 2 over here. I am the salmon. I am the king of the fish. I can imitate human voice. मैं human voice भी निकाल सकती हूँ. I am dolphin. Write 3 over here. Write dolphin. I produce electricity. मैं electricity produce करती हूँ. I am electric eel. क्या हूँ मैं? Electric eel. I keep my eggs in my mouth. मैं अपने eggs को mouth में रखती हूँ. I am catfish. Catfish अपने eggs को अपने mouth में रखती हैं. That right, 5th over here. Now I am highly emotional animal. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा high emotion वाली animal हूँ. I am zebrafish. Right, zebrafish. 6th. I can swim in a standing position. वो standing position में swim कर सकता है. That is seahorse. Right, seahorse. 7th over here. Seahorse can swim in a standing position. This is the seahorse. So that's all for this lesson. I hope you all like the explanation of this lesson. Let's move to the another lesson. So let's talk about the lesson number 6 of your unit 1, that is flowers. You know, flowers are very beautiful. It has their own fragrance. उन पे अपनी fragrance होती है, बहुत सुंदर होता है दिखने में. So in this chapter, so first read this. All flowers are beautiful. सब flowers क्या होता है? Beautiful होता है. If you are given the choice to select flowers, अगर आपको इनमें से कोई flower select करने की choice दी जाए to make a garland, from the following pictures to make a garland. Garland बनाने के लिए मतलब एक माला बनाने के लिए which flower will you like? आप इनमें से कौन से flower को like करोगे कि इसकी मैं garland बनाऊंगा या बनाऊंगी? Write the names of all flowers in the space given below. इनके space में हमें इनके names लिखने हैं. You can take help from the clue box. हम इस clue box से help ले लेंगे. So first flower, कौन सा flower है जो sun की तरह होता है, sun की तरफ move करता है? That is sunflower. You can write sunflower over here. Now second one. वो रात में दिखता है सबसे ज्यादा. Which flower is this? Night queen. रात में खिलता है वो. Now third one, it has the red, white, pink, many colors, but main common is red. It is rose. Now fourth one, that has many that is orange in color. Which flower is this? That is dahlia. Dahlia. Fifth one is marigold. Sixth one, it grows in water. कीचड़ में grow करता है वो. That in ponds, it is lotus. Ponds में देखने को मिलता है सबसे ज्यादा. Seventh one is jasmine. That is a very beautiful flower. That is jasmine. Eighth one is daffodil. इस पे आपकी बहुत सारी poems भी आती हैं. That is yellow in color, daffodil. Ninth one has the white leaves. कौन सा flower होता है? Daisy. It is a very beautiful flower and a beautiful fragrance. Daisy. Now tenth one is lily. That is also has the white leaves. White lily. 11th one, it is used for making medicines also. That is red in color. बहुत soft होता है red color का. That is hibiscus. Now 12th one is pansy. That is blue, purple and white in color. Pansy. So that's all for this lesson. Let's move to the another lesson. So now let's talk about the 7th chapter, that is animals baby. Every animal has their baby and their baby names. और वो अपने बेबीज की बहुत सारी केयर भी करते हैं. So let's do this chapter. The parent animals take care of their baby animals. जो parent animal होता है वो अपने baby animal की care करता है. So like your parents care for you, they feed them. वो उनको खाना खिलाते हैं. Like your mother feeds you and keep warm and protect them from enemies. और उन्हें गर्म रखते हैं और दुश्मनों से बचाते हैं. Now identify the pictures. आपको pictures को identify करना है. Name the baby animal with the help of clue box. ये जो clue box है इसकी हेल्प से हमें बेबी एनिमल को पिक्चर्स देख के आइडेंटिफाई करना है. सो फर्स्ट वन क्या है? फर्स्ट वन अ हैंड एंड हर चिकन. हैंड का तो चिकन होता है, राइट? चिकन ओवर हियर. वन अ शीप एंड हर लैम. शीप के बेबी को कहते हैं हम लैम. LAMB. Third, a bitch and her bitch. और उसके बेबी को क्या कहते हैं? पपी. Fourth one, a cat and her kitten. कैट के बेबी को कहते हैं किटन. A cow and her. काउ के बेबी को क्या कहते हैं? calf. A lioness and her cub. A duck and her duckling. A pig and her. पिग के बेबी को क्या कहते हैं? पिगलेट. So that's all for this lesson. Let's move to the lesson number 8. So let's talk about the lesson number 8, that is reptiles. You know रेप्टाइल्स आर कोल्ड ब्लडेड एनिमल्स. उनकी बॉडी अपने आप एक ब्लड हीट जनरेट नहीं करती है. Reptiles also live in water and also on land, but they do not live in the cold areas. So let's read the chapter. A reptile is a cold-blooded animal. As I told you, cold-blooded animals होते हैं with scaly skin. उनकी skin जो होती है scaly होती है. Reptiles can live on land and in water. वो कहाँ पे लिव रहते हैं? Land पे भी as well as water. They live all around the world. वो पूरे world में रहते हैं except the coldest places. Coldest places में वो नहीं रहते. Now answer the following question with the help of this clue box. अब इस clue box की help से हमें question answers answer करने हैं. Which reptile changes its color according to their background? कौन सा reptile change करता है अपने color को according to its background? That is, in Hindi we say cricket, in English we say chameleon. Chameleon first. Which reptile lays its egg in the warm sand? Warm sand में कौन सा reptile lays egg करता है? That is the dangerous animal. That is crocodile. Which reptile drops its tail when an animal catches it? कोई animal उसको पकड़ लेता है वो अपनी tail को ही drop कर देती है. It is commonly seen in house. That is lizards. Which reptile has scales on its body? उस reptile की body पे scales होते हैं. कौन सा reptile है वो? That is snake. Snake कैसी आवाज निकालता है? Hiss की. Sound क्या होती है उसकी? Hiss. So that's all for this lesson. Let's move to the next lesson. That is lesson number 9. So now let's move to the lesson number 9, that is superlative of India, which means largest, highest, longest, cleanest and the biggest. तो मतलब कि जो हमारे इंडिया की अच्छी चीजें हैं उनके बारे में बात करेंगे अब. So there are many natural and man-made things in which make beautiful country. इंडिया को क्या बनाते हैं वो? Beautiful country बनाते हैं natural और man-made things बन के. Name the following. You may use the clue box. अब हमें नेम करना है इन क्वेश्चंस को. We can use this clue box also. First one, the tallest building in India is the. क्या है tallest building इंडिया की? That is Imperial Towers, right? Imperial Towers. You can write 1 over here. Second, the highest waterfall in India is Kunchikal Falls. That is Kunchikal Falls. जो इंडिया की highest waterfall है. You can see spelling from here also. Kunchikal Falls. Third, the longest river in India is that is the holiest river. That is Ganga River. The largest river bridge in India is the. कौन सा ब्रिज है? महात्मा गांधी सेतु. Okay, now fifth one, the largest Gurudwara in the India, it is in Amritsar. It is also known as Golden Temple. You can write fifth over here. Now, the largest desert in India is the Thar Desert. Is the largest desert of India. The longest road in India is the longest road. कौन सी? Grand Trunk Road. The longest beach in India is the longest beach. क्या है? Beach क्या है इंडिया में? कौन सा वाला है? It is Mariana Beach. You can write it over here. Mariana Beach is the longest beach of India. So that's all for this unit. I hope you all like the explanation of this unit. Thank you and have a nice day.